Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign email documents on your Android phone. First, open the email that contains the document requiring your signature. Next, download the attached file to your device. Most Android phones will save it to a Downloads folder, which you can easily find using your phone's built-in file manager. This initial step ensures the document is accessible for editing and signing on your mobile device, making the process straightforward and efficient. Once your document is downloaded, you'll need a tool to sign it. Many Android users find success with dedicated PDF editor apps like Adobe Acrobat Reader or Zodo, which offer robust signing features. Alternatively, some Android phones have built-in document editing capabilities that might include a signature tool. If you prefer not to download an app, several free online signing services are available, requiring just a few taps to upload and sign your document securely. Now for the actual signing, open the document using your selected application. Look for a fill and sign or signature option, usually found in the toolbar or menu. This feature allows you to create a digital signature. You can draw your signature using your finger or a stylus directly on your phone's screen. Once created, simply drag and drop or tap to place the signature exactly where it needs to be on the document, ensuring it looks professional and clear. After signing, it's crucial to save your work. Save the document as a new file to avoid overwriting the original, ensuring you have both versions. Most apps will prompt you to save it, often keeping it in the widely accepted PDF format. Finally, open your email application, compose a new message, and attach the newly signed document. Before hitting send, take a moment to double-check that your signature is perfectly clear and positioned correctly, completing the process in just a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.